everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can easily log in and get access to your Amazon credit card account right from your computer. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon right next to it so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser to begin. Right in the web address bar that pops up at the top of the screen, type in amazon.syf.com. Since your Amazon credit card is issued by your Synchrony Bank, you'll need to type in this web address over here. Press enter on your keyboard and you'll end up in the login area where you can enter your credential and log into your account. You'll be able to see a first text box where it says use your ID. Make sure to type in your credential correct. Type in your valid user ID that is associated with your Amazon credit card account and head over to the next field. Type in your password as well. Make sure to type it in correct. You can double check your password by clicking on the show link right at the corner of the password box. If you'd like the system to remember your credentials, you can click on this remember user ID box so that next time you won't have to type in your user ID and password since the system will remember it for you. But remember to leave it unchecked if you're using a public device or a shared computer. In case you've forgotten your user ID and you don't know what to do next, you can click on I forgot my user ID link beneath the secure login button. Simply follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to look for your user ID right away. Similarly, if you lose access to your password and you don't remember it at all, you can click on the password link right next to the user ID link and follow the on-screen prompts so that you can reset to a new password for your credit card account. Finally, after you are done entering your credentials and you're ready to log into your credit card account, manage your account, view your activity and balance, make a payment, or much more, you can click on the secure login button in yellow in order to log into your credit card account quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.